Hi everyone, I'm Sarah with Anderson Geographics, and I'm going to spend a couple of minutes showing you how to use the Regional Pest Alert System provided by the Irrigated Ag Entomology Program at OSU-HAREC. This interactive system processes weekly counts of high-interest pests from across the region and was designed to facilitate the visualization of pest distribution in Umatilla, Morrow, Union, and Baker counties. To view the system, open the attachment in the weekly OSU Potato Update email and click on the link provided. You can also find the link on the Public Service page of the Anderson Geographics website. The first time you view the system, it's a good idea to spend a minute to quickly read the short instructions and information on the help page. You can view the system from a computer, tablet, or smartphone, though if you're using a mobile device, it's best to rotate it sideways for better viewing. You'll use the tabs at the bottom of the screen to alternate between the help page, the map of trap locations, and the pest charts. To get started, click Find Trap at the bottom to explore the map and look for traps closest to your fields. To help, you can enter an address as a visual aid, since the zoom level is limited on purpose to protect the privacy of farms participating in this trapping program. Take note of which trap or traps are closest to your fields, then click the Chart tab. Here, you can use the selection boxes at the top of the screen to chart pest counts by region and trap. The horizontal axis represents time through the growing season, from May through August. The vertical axis represents the mean number of insects per day, not raw weekly counts, in order to standardize for trap visitation intervals, and it automatically adjusts based on the charted data ranges. Different colors represent counts of different years. You can turn a year on and off by clicking on it in the legend. You can view the current year's mean weekly count by hovering over a point. Spend time cycling through different traps and pests to chart their results. That's it. This information is updated weekly, usually on Friday afternoon after counts are completed by HAREC staff. For more information about this regional pest alert system and related work, follow the links to our website or the OSU-HAREC website in the Help tab. Note that this is an alert system only. Growers are still encouraged to set traps and contact OSU-HAREC for training and more information. Thanks for your time, and we hope you have a great season.